In some situations, it is impossible to get a one-piece playboard into your room. Therefore, we make two-piece playboards, and they're pretty simple to put together. They go together with dowel pin connectors and some tight joint connectors and a special connecting apparatus that we have that is kind of similar to a table leaf. Once put together, you would never notice it was a two-piece board.
Well, you know what? I pay attention to them. It's a good thing I had the video in it. Because you got to have, it's got the, I'm going to point this out on the video. Make sure your bolt is on this end that's bigger. See?
Final part of the assembly is there's a little Allen wrench that we give you with the connectors that you can tighten and lock the joints into place.
Moving it. So find a little part that locks them in.
Once everything is locked into place, it is now time to roll the board over. We always put a couple pucks down to keep from smashing our fingers, and then once we roll it over, we use those climate adjusters to lift up the board and pull the pucks out.
Right down the middle, it goes down the middle too, pretty good.
As you can see, the board plays just like a one-piece board. Two-piece shuffleboard tops by McClure Tables, handcrafted in Michigan, made in America with pride.